Well, the fish are still swimming around nicely in the water, and the water's pretty clear. The only thing on at the moment is the air pump, which is bubbling away the far side of the pond. The fish are definitely not eating because it's far too cold. Last night was bad, high winds, heavy rain, all the leaves off the trees falling down all around the pond. And just come down to check the pond in between the rain. The question is it going to be a short winter this year or a long winter? Some people say that the winter could go all the way through to March, which means the covers would stay on more or less to March as well. Temperature today, last night it dropped down to 3C. At the moment it's just on 8.8. So I'm going to dose the pond today, what I call the winter dose, and I feel it's very important to do. Lots of people say you shouldn't put anything in the water when the temperature drops. I disagree with that one, because every year I always dose the pond throughout the winter with certain things, and I've just put a piece of brown bread in for them to see whether they'll come up and eat that. Quite often it's tempted for them to come up. I soak the bread in garlic, let it dry out, and then I throw it in the pond. And the fish seem to, I don't know why, but they seem to go for it, even though they've stopped eating. So let's go and check out what I put into the pond over the winter. Okay then, so there's 3 things I use in the pond over the winter period. Normally towards the end of November I'll put some of this in the pond. The reason I put this into the pond is that the fish normally stay at the very bottom of the pond, and they will scrape along the bottom most of the time, or lie on the bottom for periods of time, especially in the corners of the ponds. So I always put some of this in, basically to stop them picking up any infections, and it's perfect for the winter. It works fine, works in all temperatures, and I'll put half a dose in of this in November, December and January. The next thing I use is this one, which I start in January. Argusol. It's very good for anchorworms and anything that will attach itself to the fish. And I'll put that in starting in December, and then I'll do the next one in February. And last of all I'll put into the pond will be these. Lice and anchorworm. These are a tablet, and I put half a dose of this in for December, January and February. Now, I've found over the years that the 3 of those going in to the pond in the winter, no matter what the temperature, does seem to help the fish. I never seem to really get any cotton wool effect or any infections on the fish the following year, and I do believe it's by putting these in the pond in the winter. I believe they do work. And I've been doing this now for about 4, maybe 5 years. Exactly the same thing. I know there's people who say that you should not treat the pond during the winter, but my question would be why? Parasites are in the pond all year long. True, some die off in the winter, but a large number also produce eggs which stay on the side of the pond and will hatch out as the water starts to warm up. So these together, I found, basically kills anything in the pond, and the fish start off in the spring in a better environment. So I will keep using these. Anyway, it's a ice cold freezing day today. The air temperature's down to, I think it's, let's have a look, it's 4.6 at the moment outside. So take care. Have a good weekend if you're not working. I hope you're somewhere nice and warm, because I'm not. It's like Iceland here. In fact, with the wind, I think it might be even colder than Iceland. So take care, please subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.